Every garage owner thinks they're losing time somewhere. The question is where? Maybe it's answering the phone all day, chasing customers for authorisations. Maybe it's the paperwork that somehow always ends up getting finished after everyone else has gone home. Whatever it is, those small delays add up to hours every single week. If you're looking at TechMan, you're probably asking the same question thousands of garage owners have asked themselves. Is there a better way? Come with me and I'll show you where TechMan actually came from. This is our workshop. Over 12 years ago, the owner of this garage became frustrated with paper job cards, endless administration, and software that simply wasn't designed the way a garage really works. Rather than accepting it, he decided to do something better. That became TechMan. Every feature you see today is because someone working in this workshop asked, there has to be an easier way to do this. Come into our reception now. This is where most workshops lose valuable time. Booking vehicles in, finding customer history, ordering parts, updating customers, creating invoices. On their own, they're all small jobs, but together they can take hours of every working day. TechMan brings all of these processes together in one system, reducing admin, automating repetitive tasks, and giving your team more time to focus on repairing vehicles and looking after customers. Out here is where the real difference starts. Instead of carrying paper job cards around the workshop, technicians have everything they need on a tablet. Technical information, vehicle history, MOT advisories, service schedules, parts, labour. If a technician spots something that needs attention, they can take photos, videos and send them direct to the customer for approval from the tablet. Every feature in said TechMan has one purpose: to remove unnecessary steps and reduce duplication and save time. And give workshop owners complete visibility of what's happening across their business. That's why thousands of workshops are now relying on TechMan every single day. Now, I could spend another 20 minutes banging on them and talking about TechMan features, but I'd rather show you. No hard sell, no pressure, just a chance to see whether it could be right for your workshop. If you're curious about how TechMan could work, book a 15-minute walkthrough. We think you'll be surprised just how much time you could get back.